600 here, and today in this video I'm talking really light and really soft because it's like 2 in the morning. But I have this Zippo lighter here, and I just figured I'd tell you guys a couple tricks. So first one, I got this at a fair a while ago, but I'm gonna hold it by the lid, so show you the parts. Here's the hood, or the lid. So there it is. This one's kind of rusty and it doesn't flip up like it used to. There's the filling area from the actual lighter, the case, and the base. So and when you want to go refill it, you always put it with that side, that way. So put the hood back on. But so you hold it with your middle finger and thumb. Take your middle finger or your ring finger and just flick it. And in the same motion you want to bring it down. You can do that. So all together it would look like. And then normally from there you just go like that and it should shut. So yeah. Light it and shut it. So all together. Crap, I can't shut it right now, but yeah, that's pretty much it on a Zippo lighter. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. See you guys.